Hello, this is Robert Farmelo, the world's best English teacher. My job is to help you become better at English than I am. Have you ever wondered where you're going to find the time to learn and remember vocabulary? It really is a puzzle for many of us. Well, here's the thing. If you're waiting to learn English vocabulary, perhaps one of the best places to learn English vocabulary is when you're waiting. Waiting in a line at the store, waiting at the bus stop for the bus to come. Waiting is a place where you can take out your mobile device, your cell phone, and hook up your software for spaced repetition and begin to practice your vocabulary. Just take out your mobile device, your cell phone, and get the software working. And if you don't have that, you can use flashcards. More about those a little later on. And then, instead of just being on the bus and passing the time, you can be learning English. You can learn English on an airplane. When you're on a longer trip, you can really leverage your time and begin to become amazing at English by having your memory of English words go through the roof. You don't have to be like this person, wondering what English word to say. And you can use flashcards. If you don't have the mobile device, you can use flashcards to practice your English using our spaced repetition system. Remember, if you're at a meeting waiting for the meeting to start, you don't have to be like this guy. You can be learning English. In the space of 10 seconds, you can practice a new English word and get the most out of your time. Remember, while you're waiting for anything is a perfect time to practice for your vocabulary. And if you're wondering where you can find the time to study your English vocabulary, now you know. If you're waiting to learn English vocabulary, you just have to use the time that you spend waiting every day, waiting for your wife, waiting for your children, waiting for your husband, waiting for your friend at a restaurant, waiting for the elevator. In a few seconds, you can study one word of English vocabulary, and using the amazing software, which you'll find in the links below, you can start right away. Remember, if you like this video, give this video a like and share it with someone you know who is interested in learning English. And remember that Learn English Now, your English language learning resource, Robert Farmelo, the world's greatest English teacher, at your service to help you become better at English than I am. Thanks very much for watching this video.